In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request signature on DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process from your DocuSign dashboard all the way to sending a document out for signature, so by the end you'll be able to do this confidently on your own. Start by opening your DocuSign dashboard in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is usually one of the primary buttons you'll see, because it's the main way to start a new signing request. Go ahead and click on Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you want to prepare a document for someone else to sign. You'll now be taken to a page where you can upload the documents you need signed. Click on the Upload button, which will open a file picker from your computer or device. Browse to the file you want to use, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload. It's a good idea to quickly double check that you've chosen the correct version of the document before moving on. Next, you'll see fields to add your recipient's details. In the recipient section, click into the name field and type in the full name of the person who needs to sign. Right below that, you'll have a field for their email address. Enter their email carefully, because this is where DocuSign will send the signing link. It's worth checking for typos here, as an incorrect email will prevent them from receiving the document. Below the recipient information, you'll find the email subject line. Type in a clear, descriptive subject, such as, "Please sign the attached agreement." This is what the recipient will see in their inbox, so make it easy to recognize. Underneath the subject, there's a message field. Click inside and type a short, friendly message explaining what the document is and what you need them to do. This can help avoid confusion and make it more likely they sign quickly. When you're happy with the details, click on Next, Add Fields. This will open the document in the DocuSign editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options. Click on Signature, then click on the place in the document where you want the recipient to sign. You can also add other elements if needed, like date signed or text fields, by dragging them into the correct spots. Once all required fields are in place and everything looks correct, you're ready to send. Click on the Send button. DocuSign will email your recipient with a secure link so they can review and sign the document electronically. After it's sent, you'll be able to track its status right from your DocuSign dashboard.